Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to get Edge panel on any Android phone. Simply open the Play Store, install this application sidebar Edge screen by Yugesh Dema. I have already installed it, so I will simply open it. Simply enable the sidebar, tap on OK, give the permission to appear on top. Simply tap on this toggle. Now go back. As you can see now, sidebar is showing. From here you can change the sidebar color. For example, I am doing it pink. Here you get size, thickness and transparency. If you scroll down more, here you get choose application options. So select application from here. I want in my sidebar calculator, calendar, call, clock and contacts. Simply tap on done. As you can see, all my applications are showing in my sidebar or edge bar. Now let's change the color again. I am selecting white. Now let's check it out again. As you can see, now it is looking good. So this is how you can get edge panel or sidebar on any Android phone. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel for more information like this.